Welcome to the Jenkins Platform Special Interest Group meeting. It's the 10th of September, 2021. Today's items, we've got open action items, Java 11 as default in our Docker images, multi-platform support, and pending Docker image improvements and changes. So I've still got open action items on the pull request for Java 11. It's in progress and in fact appears to be almost complete. Delighted with the results. Special thanks to Tim Jacomb and to Damien DePortal for their great work on it. We've still got an additional item on getting a code owner's concept. I'll work on that later. And we're delighted with Sudakar's work on plugin installation manager docs. I've made some recent improvements there. In terms of Java 11 as default in our Docker images, the work is complete. It looks good. Thanks to Tim Jacomb and to Damien. Controllers, agents inbound and agents outbound have all three been switched to use Java 11 as their base image. That change means that we've got Java 11 as the standard way of doing things throughout the Jenkins project. Yes, we still support Java 8. Yes, we need a blog post to highlight just how much the build performance of those Docker images has been improved thanks to the work of Tim Jacomb, Damien DePortal, and the Docker development team who created the Docker BuildX tool. That parallel build tool is an amazing piece of work. Also, as part of that effort, we were able to make dramatic progress on our Jenkins Docker image support for multiple platforms. It's been on our roadmap for an extended period that we wanted to do multi-platform support from Docker images. And we now have Docker image support for Intel x64, ARM 64-bit, PowerPC 64 little endian, and for System 390 mainframes. 4 platforms, 1 Docker image, easy as Docker run Jenkins/Jenkins:/LTS or Jenkins/Jenkins:/latest. We do need a blog to announce that progress. And there are certainly going to be ongoing improvements to be sure it's smooth and simple. It's available now in agent images as well, so that you can run an agent image on ARM 64 using one of our Docker images. Now, in addition to that, we've got Docker image improvements that still yet are coming. One of the things that we've done is we've switched to use Eclipse Temurin as our JDK provider. Temurin is the successor to the Adopt OpenJDK project. So Eclipse took on Adopt OpenJDK, or Adopt OpenJDK joined Eclipse. And as part of that, they've named their new OpenJDK effort Temurin. And Jenkins, beginning with 8U302 JDK and 11.0.12 JDK, is now using Temurin-based JDKs. However, we found that that's a complication on the Alpine operating system because Temurin only provides JDKs based on glibc, and Alpine intentionally does not ship glibc. Right now, discussions are happening to decide if we should use the OpenJDK that's bundled with Alpine because it's based on the native C library of the Alpine distribution, that is Muscle. So given that change pending, you should expect that more changes are coming in Alpine use for Jenkins. What this will mean to most users is the size of their Docker image will shrink significantly, even in the Alpine image, because the switch from Eclipse Temurin to Alpine OpenJDK means we can also stop installing glibc and just use the Muscle C library. Looking forward to this coming improvement. That's all I've got for today. Thanks very much for joining us.